Hello friends, how are you everyone? Welcome to the Raj Medical Literature. My name is Aslam Raj. Today we are going to talk about parts of skeletal system. Let's start the video. First, we should write here skeleton. All we are know that total skeleton of our body is 206. Basically, we are divided into two parts, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton is 80 bones. And appendicular skeleton is 126 bones. Second one is appendicular skeleton. This is including 126 bones. Axial skeleton is mainly divided into three parts. If we are called ribs and sternum, it's different. Then this is four parts. First one, skull. Skull is total 29 bones. And then second one, vertebral column. Total bones of vertebral column is 26 bones. Then ribs and sternums. We made this called together. Total ribs of our body is 24. And sternum is a single bone, 1. And then skull has mainly 4 types of bones. First one is facial bones. Including facial bones here 14 bones. Then second one is cranium. Total number of cranium bone is 8. Then aerosicles. We know about aerosicles. Here 3 bones, 3 pair of bones, malleus, incus and tabes. Total number of bones is 6. Then hyoid bones. This is the single bones of skull. Number 1. Then let's see about appendicular skeleton. Basically it's two parts, girdle bones and limb bones. Girdle bones has 6 bones. And limb bones including 120 bones. Limb bones. We should write here 4 into 30. Then girdle bones, mainly 2 types, pelvic girdle and pectoral girdle. Pelvic girdle, here is 2 bones, and pectoral girdle, number of pectoral girdle of our body is 4 bones. Then you also discuss here about skull. First we should write here skull. This is dicondylic. Dicondylic. We see here total number of bones in skull is 29. Here see the cranium bones and facial bones names. The names of cranium bones. Cranium. We know that cranium has 8 bones and facial bones has 14 bones. Let's see the names of cranium bones. Here total 6 types of bones. You may write here TOP just like streaks, easy to remember. Then ESF, T for temporal bones, O for occipital bones, T for temporal bones. This is pair bones, number of bones 2. Occipital. Occipital is a single pair of bone 1, and then parietal. Parietal is also pair of bones 2. Then ethmoid. Ethmoid bone is single bones 1, and sphenoid bones. Sphenoid bone also single pair of bones 1, and frontal bones. F for frontal bones. Here frontal bone also 1 bones. Here total number of bones 6 and total number of bones 8, including facial bones. Here you know nasal, maxilla, zygomatic, lacrimal, palatine, inferior nasal concha, vomer, mandible. Here present total 8 different types of bones and total number of bones 14. Easy to remember just like that. First IPL, then MNZ, VM, IPL, MN, GVZ. Total number of bones 8. I for inferior nasal concha. 8 different types of bones are present here. I for inferior nasal concha. This is pair of bones, means number of bones is 2. Then P for palatine. Palatine also pair of bones, means number of bones 2. Then lacrimal. Lacrimal also contains 2 bones. Then mandible. Maxilla. This is also 2 bones. Nasals, 2 bones. Zygomatic, also 2 bones. Then vomer and mandible. These 2 bones are single pair of bones 1, and mandible also single pair of bones. This is lower jaw. We know this. So guys, here vomer and mandible single pair, and here temporal and parietal is pair bones. A single pair in cranium, occipital, ethmoid, sphenoid, and frontal. Here single only to vomer and mandible. Okay guys, so this is the parts of skeletal system, the division. If this video is helpful for you, so please friend, like, share and subscribe my channel. This is my